Hello friend, hello friend. In this video guys, I will be telling you how you can fix Omegle screen keeps on reloading. So this wouldn't be like 100% solution, but I can guarantee you that it will work. It will work for you. So what you have to do, let me show you what I was saying about keeps on loading screen. So once you tap on video, so you have to I have just hide my camera. Now you have to just let me just go somewhere else. Now tap on here. Now you can see it's keeps on reloading. Like maybe it's first time don't reload, but the third second time it's keep on reloading, and just like this one. So uh, like this one, let me just, so how you have to fix this. So first thing is first, you can go to your browser and go to privacy and security and keeps on changing this DNS uh, option and look if one of these works for you. Now the second option is that you have to install this Vivaldo browser like I have done. So because I think it's also solved the problem as well. Let me open it this in Safari as well, because I think it's also the screen keeps on reloading on screen. So what do you have to do? Just let me write down the Omegle and just tap on this, and it is just for your proof. So just tap on this, allow. Now so I will tap on allow. So you can see it's keep reloading, keep on reloading. So now just close this out, and I will open this Vivaldo browser because I have because it's working on this browser, and maybe it's working for you guys. So you have to like uh, see that it's working for you or not. Just tap on video. So I have already opened. Now you can flip camera. Okay, so just tap on start. Okay, let's see. So okay guys, you have to check this on your every this browser. You have to download it, and have a nice day and see you.